现在是几点几分？4点15啊，热的要死。你看瑞瑞穿成这样，今天是在哪里啊？
哎，有点傻，龟吼吗？还是野柳？因为太近了好吗？
其实离很远，他可以大概要拿到跟 case 一样，就大概拿到这里。
真的吗？我忘
记搬给你看，你自己看一下。
好。
现在有在录。
哦 ，OK， 但太近，这样子差不多啦。
今天来到那个龟吼渔港，有看到这一只。
好可爱。
大家讲以为是螃蟹。
是啊。
不是啊，这一只，哎，是哎。
不然它是什么？
Never know, man. Them niggas will never know. You know what I'm saying? They never know cause they never been. Never seen, never heard, never dreamt, never felt the same thing. So how the fuck they gon' tell me what's real? Had a wick card and still had to steal. Tell them suck a dick on a silver platter. Cause they feelings towards me no longer matters. They just mad cause a nigga pockets getting fatter. Trying to beat back scratches but they backstabbers. Pockets getting fatter, trying to beat back scratches, but they backstabbers. And I'm sorry, my emotions get the best of me. I'm just giving you my all, and that's my everything. And these tracks, why the Twitter people mention me? These just the thoughts from the Purple Tree Diaries. I want the options of choosing another beam with a Porsche, but fuck it, I'll take a Type R and still be lost. Made it shine in my skies, even when the sun was lost. I enjoy car baking, money making, long walks on the boardwalk. And as long as my mind's lost, these rap niggas is Oakland, cause they too short. And yes, baby, they look fun, but they all talk. It's what my grandma used to say as a young boy. The lifestyle trife, but I fucking hold on. Few words for the connect. Hello and dato. The world's cold like 7 Torontos. Understand it's the same circus, different clowns, yo. Trying to make enough bread, so my ties got packs to push. Start them off with the piff, no Reggie Bush. Girls say, I love your songs. Smooth, got that smooth music. Lyrics gotta out them dogs. Smart in the head, even though I look stupid. Trying to paint a picture so y'all can vibe to it. Make that crack music, have them niggas get high to it. Money over everything, if you ain't winning, you a fucking doofus. And I'm in the